In this video, you will learn how to calculate the perimeter of polygons, and you will be able to complete these 4 topics in ALEX. First of all, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a shape. To calculate perimeter, you simply add the lengths of the sides. Let us look at a few examples from ALEX. Calculate the perimeter of the polygon. 13 plus 7 plus 14 plus 19 is 53. Remember to include units. Perimeter is a line, so these are the units you use when calculating perimeter. Find the perimeter of the square. As you know, the 4 sides of a square are all the same length, so simply add the 27s together to get 108, or 4 times 27 is 108 meters. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. You're given the length and the width, so complete the other sides and then add. 68 centimeters. Thank you.